How to delete all WhatsApp chat permanently. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete all WhatsApp chat permanently. First, open your WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Now swipe to the left on the chat that you want to delete. You will see some options appear. Look for the option that says delete chat and give it a tap. Once you tap on delete chat, a confirmation prompt will pop up. Tap on delete chat. The chat has now been successfully deleted. To continue, let's go to the settings of your WhatsApp. In the settings menu, scroll down until you find the options for chats. Give it a tap to access the chat settings. Inside the chat settings, you will see various options. Look for the one that says delete all chats and tap on it. Now, you will be asked to enter your phone number as a confirmation. Type in your phone number and make sure it's correct. Finally, give that delete all chats button one last tap to confirm and delete all chats. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.